Hello, today we will guide you through how to change zoom color mode. To get started, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're on the main Zoom home screen before moving on. If Zoom takes a moment to load, just wait until the full interface appears so you can clearly see the navigation options. Once Zoom is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click on your profile account icon. This is where Zoom keeps account-related options and app preferences. If you don't immediately recognize it, it usually appears as your profile picture or a small user icon. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu with several choices. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the main settings panel for the Zoom app, where you can adjust how Zoom looks and behaves. If you've never visited this section before, you'll notice there are several categories listed along the side, each covering different parts of the app. Next, click on General. The General section contains basic app preferences, including display-related options. This is the area where Zoom lets you control the overall appearance of the application. So if you're looking to make Zoom easier on the eyes or better match your device's theme, you're in the right place. In the General settings, find the color mode options and select the mode you want to use. You can choose Light, Dark, or System mode. Light mode gives Zoom a brighter appearance and is often easier to see in well-lit environments. Dark mode uses a darker background, which many people prefer for reduced eye strain, especially in low-light settings. System mode tells Zoom to follow your computer's current appearance settings automatically, which can be helpful if your device already switches between light and dark themes. After you select your preferred option, the change should apply right away. You can take a quick look around the Zoom window to confirm that the new color mode is active. If it doesn't seem to update immediately, give the app a second, or click away and back within the settings window. And that's all it takes to change Zoom color mode. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make the app more comfortable to use throughout the day. If you want Zoom to match the rest of your desktop automatically, System mode is a great choice. If you prefer a consistent look no matter what, light or dark mode may be the better fit.